Login failed on OpenInvest App Fix. You open the OpenInvest app, ready to check your impact portfolio or track performance, but suddenly login failed. Annoying, right? The surprising truth is that most login issues aren't caused by your account at all. They are usually quick technical fixes. Let's go over them. First, check your internet connection. OpenInvest relies on real-time data syncing, so a weak or unstable network can interrupt the login process. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to refresh your connection. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search OpenInvest, and tap Update if the option appears. Older app versions sometimes can't communicate with the company's latest security systems. Then, re-enter your credentials manually. Don't rely on autofill. Most people get this wrong because saved passwords often include invisible formatting errors or outdated data. If it still fails, tap Forgot Password to reset it safely. If that doesn't solve it, clear the app's cache. On Android, open Settings, Apps, OpenInvest Storage, clear cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove corrupted data. Also, check your PIN or privacy settings. OpenInvest login servers may block mass tips or foreign networks to protect user data. Turning off your PIN or proxy often fixes the issue immediately. And finally, if you've tried all this and it still won't log in, go to OpenInvest's web platform. If you can't log in there either, the issue might be on their end. Just give it a few minutes and try again later. So next time you see login failed on OpenInvest, don't panic. Update your app, check your connection, re-enter your password, clear cached data, and turn off your PIN. Most login problems are simple to fix, and in just a few minutes, you'll be back to tracking your portfolio and your positive impact.